making money online is not as complicated as you think. The truth is, it's actually never been easier to have a remote online income that allows you to work from wherever you want, travel the world, do all the cool things you enjoy doing, and build an income stream that gets you consistent income month after month. But the problem is that the people who are teaching you how to make money online, whether it be through affiliate marketing, drop shipping, Amazon, and agencies, they're teaching you the wrong way to do it. There's a much easier way to make money online that 99% of people are not talking about. And if you followed what everyone else is telling you to make money online right now, you're gonna waste a lot of time and you're gonna run into a load of problems that you're not going to get if you implement what I'm gonna show you right now in this video. That's why in this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest business to start to make money online that I've used personally to get me to $30,000 a month, and has shown dozens of other people who I've helped to get to 5 figures as well. But first, I wanna cover the old ways of making money online. Number 1, selling something that nobody really wants. So guys, it's hard to make money and sell something if what you're selling is something that people don't really want. The easiest thing to do is to sell something that everyone needs. Selling a want and not a need is what most people are doing right now to make money online, and that's why they're struggling so much. Instead, sell something not that everyone wants, but that every single business needs in order to stay alive. For example, there's a lot of guys out there who are doing drop shipping as the first entry to online business, and they'll quickly realize that it's not the best way to make money online because you're selling wants. You're not selling something that people actually need. And also, you're selling to people who don't have a lot of money to spend. So guys, I want you to keep that in the back of your mind. Sell something not that everyone wants, but that every single business needs in order to stay alive. And the reason I say business is because they have a lot more money than just regular people. Number 2, being a glorified high-income freelancer. Guys, in this day and age, if you're still doing all the work yourself for your clients, or you're trying to sign clients and you're trying to do everything by yourself, you don't have a business. It's just that now instead of having one boss, you have multiple bosses, which are your clients. And that's okay, guys. It's actually something that I encourage. But you don't want to do something that's going to keep you in that position forever. Too many times you're going to get caught up in the cycle of just making money, and then you're not even realizing that you're spending all your time to make money. If you weren't there, the business couldn't run without you, which is a big red flag. So the easiest way to make money online is to build a vehicle that you can actually scale, make enough money so that you can get out of the day-to-day operations, hire a team, build systems so that you can be out of the day-to-day operations as soon as possible. And number 3, guys, doing something that's falling out of fashion. There's so many business models out there and ways of making money online that people are saying are the best ways to get started, but it's simply just not the case anymore. The reason why is because as time goes on, so many new people are trying that exact business model, it becomes saturated and competitive, and it becomes really, really hard to stand out and actually make money. The only thing that you can do to stop this is completely invent something new, cutting edge, state of the art, but the thing is, you don't have enough experience to do that right now. Or you just continue doing what you're doing, and you're in a model that's gonna continuously get harder and harder to break into because of how many people are flooding into that opportunity every single day. We know for a fact that that's the case with things like traditional social media marketing agencies like SMMA, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, Amazon FBA. So many newbies, so many beginners are flooding to these business models, which makes it so much harder for beginners and newbies to actually make money. So the question is, what can you do about this? How can you actually stand out? How can you actually make money? And here's how to do exactly that. Number 1 is going to be selling leads to businesses. Businesses need leads. They always have, they always will. No matter what's going on in the world, they're always going to need more leads. Leads are essentially just a potential customer who's interested in a business's product or service. So if you can help businesses get more business, you're never going to run out of money. You're never going to be in a scarcity place where you have to worry about money. So guys, selling leads to businesses is the best way for beginners to make money online. Number 2 is selling to a high value niche. Now guys, big businesses are big because they have a product or service that people buy. They're making a lot of money. Most of the time, their biggest bottleneck isn't content, it's not sales, it's simply getting more leads. And the best part about this is they have really big budgets waiting to spend on people like you who can help them get more leads. So if you simply sold them more leads, they would buy from you. And number 3 is automating 95% 90% of the fulfillment. So guys, with generating leads, you can use things like cold email. And with cold email, you can automate like 95% of every single thing with AI and systems. You can literally have AI and software tools send thousands of emails and outreach for you, for your clients on autopilot without you having to do any manual work. If you just set up a campaign and let it do its job on autopilot, you don't have to be constantly doing the work. So while you're watching a YouTube video, you could be making your clients money and make a pretty penny for yourself too. Now guys, with this new way of making money online, it's pretty much guaranteed that you're going to make money if you start this, because every single business needs leads. It's also very easy and simple to learn how to set up cold email outreach and all of this other automated outreach, which your clients will pay you thousands of dollars to do. And most importantly, you're selling something that's super valuable to businesses who have a budget to actually pay you, and you're selling something that's standing out from all your competition around you, which is something that a lot of people are not doing right now. So that is the easiest way to make money online as a complete beginner. Not only do you know the easiest way to do this, but now you have a high-level overview of the entire process. But of course, if I went through exactly how to do it, then I would still be recording this video instead of you watching it. So that's why I made this video on here on exactly how to start a lead generation agency from scratch. It's a full 100% free course breaking down the exact step-by-step process on how you can start selling leads to businesses and generating income online with the easiest business model to start. It's the video on screen. Click on it right now and watch it next.